Guys, so today we are, it's bright. Today we are heading out. It's hot in this country. What? It's hot. I didn't so.
Yeah, yellow.
As in, we cannot go and carry sunburn. Guys, we are heading out to, what do you call that market we are going to? Karama market. We're heading there, and then from there to Dubai Mall, just to look around, okay? Guys, look at this store called Alma. How cool is that? Alma! Cool, right?
I don't have the guy's number. I've sent this to you before. You have it, so you can call it.
Another shopping day. Adacha. Amsa too. I don't know where Amsa is going. No, it's more we are going. So Amsa is looking as if she's going for dinner on the yacht. What is happening? Ogene. Hey, it's more we are going. No, it's more. It's more. No. Look. Just wearing this dress. I'm doing print clash. Tie and dye print plus polka dot. But I don't care. Wearing this. I got this bag yesterday in the mall. I love it. And you know this bag is big.
Yes.
It's actually big, like it houses so many things.
And then it still has side buttons to expand.
Yes, I love it. Alright.
Love it.
Let's go.
Love it.
I'm on sunscreen. I'm not allowing you to.
You don't want me to burn. You're a good friend. You are a good friend. I like has become, hey, my charm are funny. The charm from my charm bracelet that falling down. Oh. So here is not exposed. So it's the
Okay, actually, it's just your leg, yeah, and your chest.
I wish dress again.
Skin like butter.
Yeah, baby.
Skin like butter.
Yeah, baby. Okay, we're good to go.
It's on track to my life. I like a beautiful sunshine body.
You know.
Adacha, because we were pissed, Adacha wanted to talk to you when we came out about the toilet. Are you serious? But Adacha were pissed off. So I didn't talk about the toilet again, but Adacha. Towels.
When you enter, each toilet has this wash hand sink, like a marble top. And then like perfumes and like it's there. Each toilet is private.
Hey, Dubai want to
and there are many.
And guess what?
It's not like there's not up to like 20 to
even
25.
the general area, like when I was waiting for Hamza, it's not the normal
rowdy
tabletop. It was individual marble.
Yes, with like large mirror
marble.
I have to go to that toilet too. No, a designer toilet.
It's wait for them to put chair. You have found dressing mirror.
God.
Let's go.
What? It's a very nice hotel.
Thank you, baby.
It's a very nice hotel. I'm happy we stayed here.
Together, baby.
I'm a fan. I'm her number one fan. Oh, yeah. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Please make sure you mute this audio.
Because you know when Igbo girls say that thing on Instagram, I don't know if they used to say that. It's yacht or yacht. I've heard different pronunciations. Jesus. I've heard different pronunciations of those things. Ha! Hey! Record that.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before.
Fantastic. You will not even feel it. No, come here and you that are going to Dubai. Disobey Dubai laws, oh, please. Hamza too. She's on her own. I'm not going to disobey the Dubai laws.
Okay, if you stay.
It's bad. $135.
Yeah. Just go back to our room and they put swag for us to love ourselves. Look at it. Look at it. A day of shopping. See, it's like it's only money we get to come and spend in this Dubai. God, see bags. See bags. See bags. So this evening we have dinner on the yacht in the middle of the waters. So we need to shower and get ready for that. That's our itinerary for this evening. Yay! Oh my god! And we just might go to the club when we get back from dinner on the yacht. See, This holiday is beginning to sweet me too much, I beg.
Your swan is going.
My swan! Oh, yeah,
I'm about to carry your swan.
carry this one, carry this one. He says your swan is going.
But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share.